Pro tip for my kids. When you're slicing stuff, if you don't want to waste a bunch of time, cut slits like so. Mind the mess. This is Rocco's kitchen. Welcome to Cooking with Rocco. Yeah! Making some poo leaf soup. Yeah, get it in ya. Look at that. You cut the slits, you don't have to recut. It's bing, bang, bong. Bingo, bango, bongo. A big batch of poo leaf soup. I got maybe 4 pounds of ground beef. Most underrated source of protein. It's got everything in it, like bone broth and all the goodness. I've even got some frozen borscht base that I got from the Polish market, I believe. And cow soy. I'm mixing them together because why not? Because come back to Rocco's kitchen. Once everything cures and marinates and cooks for a while, I'm throwing some bok choy, snap peas again. We've got cabbage, red cabbage, cow soy, borscht from Poland, ground beef from Alberta, Canada. It's a multicultural dish. Welcome to Rocco's kitchen, where there are no international boundaries. Get it in you. It's just so ridiculous.